The cracking sound you hear when you crack your fingers is caused by the rapid release of gas bubbles from the synovial fluid within your joints. Synovial fluid acts as a lubricant, and when you stretch or pull your finger, it creates negative pressure in the joint space, causing dissolved gases like carbon dioxide to form a bubble. When this bubble collapses or bursts, it makes that distinct popping sound. Contrary to popular belief, cracking your knuckles doesn't cause arthritis, though excessive force might strain ligaments. After cracking, it takes some time before you can do it again because the gases need to redissolve into the fluid. This process is called cavitation. Studies using MRI and ultrasound have confirmed this mechanism. The sound is not bones rubbing or ligaments snapping, as some people think. It's a harmless phenomenon for most people. Some enjoy it due to the pressure release or habit. However, if you feel pain while cracking, it's best to consult a doctor.